Hey guys, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. You guys have been loving the clothing that we've been putting on the Hooked on Pickin store. And so we ordered 2 more boxes of new clothing. And so I wanted to pull it out, show it to you guys, and let you know you can buy it right this second on the store. All right, it's going to already be there. So we're going to go ahead and open up both of these boxes. You're going to see the awesome new stuff we're putting on there.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so these are going on hookedonpickin.com. The link is down in the description below if you can't find it. Otherwise, you just do hookedonpickin, no G on the end, .com, and you'll be able to find these items plus tons of other fun things. So we were perusing some of our wholesalers and decided, you know what, we're going to buy some cool stuff for the store. All right. I can't even remember what I ordered, so this is going to be an exciting thing for me. All right, these are, I think, cool hoodies or zip-ups or something. Let me see. So these are going to be sizes small, medium, and large. And they're like athletic hoodies. This is a size medium. And so they're the really nice microfiber, thin, hooded top. Isn't that cool?
It looks nice.
I love it. So we're going to have small, medium, large in these. I may have gotten some plus sizes too.
That's like perfect for the fall.
It's perfect for the fall. So a lot of you are asking for the small and medium and large, and so we're going to go ahead. We ordered some. All right, this is extra large, 2XL, 3XL, and these are the shirts that you guys have been loving, but we didn't have pink. And so I ordered pink, so let me show you exactly what it looks like. We have this in blue, in gray, in teal. I'm trying to think of what other colors we have in. I can't get in this bag. It's being mean to me. There we go. All right, this one is the 3XL. But like I said, it's an extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. And it's a nice tunic top with some cool geometric stripes. So,
Do you remember what you're selling those for?
These are
they $19.99?
I can look real fast just to check and see what they're worth. I'm checking my store right now. Products. We'll do clothing. I love these tops. Like I said, we have them in blue and we have them in teal and various different sizes. These are $19.99. $19.99 alone. And the cool thing about my store on hookedonpickin.com is that if you buy over $100 worth of stuff, and it's Christmas time, so you get free shipping. So we got some pink striped ones now. Oh, I'm super excited about these. These are our fun dresses we decided to buy. So this comes in extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. And these are for the pet lover. For the pet lover out there. Look at these. You can basically wear it like a tunic top or a dress, but look at, it's kitty cats.
It's cats.
You know, you could also wear this at Halloween.
Yeah, you could.
You know, if you're a pet lover, or you wear it at Halloween because it's got, just wear some orange earrings and have orange scarf or something.
You could.
Yeah, but this, for the pet lover.
That's awesome.
So soft. I love these. We also have Christmas dresses, so if you haven't seen our Christmas dresses, check those out. That's the 2XL that I just showed you on the cat dress. I was so loving. As soon as I saw those, I was like, I have got to get those. Now, dog lovers, I didn't leave you out. I got a dog lover one. Now, this one I think I ended up getting in plus size and regular size. This current pack is the small, medium, and large. And I think we might find the other pack, but we'll have to see. So this is your puppy dog dress or tunic top. You can wear it either way. So this is the size medium. It's got a 3/4 length sleeve on it. And look at all the cute. You got a poodle and a Dalmatian, a little wiener dog there, boxers. So aren't those fun?
That's a great.
Isn't that cool? I love them.
Great dress.
I love them. So these are small, medium, large. Like I said, I think I did get some plus sizes, but we'll have to see. Now, if you don't like cats or dogs, don't worry, I have an option for you. Here's birdies. These are going to be extra large, 2XL, 3XL. A nice kind of pale pink, real pretty. I just love these. I think they're so fun.
Just get one for my mom. She loves birds.
Oh, your mom would love this. So, this is the pink birdie one. Just every kind of bird you can think of. I think it's gorgeous. So, like I said, I have this in extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. And I can't remember if I got one. These are perfect dresses for the teacher, too. You know, can't you see a teacher wearing these?
Absolutely.
Well, of course, anybody just who wants to have fun can get these. This is my favorite. I keep saying that about everything, but I think it's because I buy what I like. And you guys seem to like it, too, because we've been selling a lot. Dinosaurs!
That is awesome.
So listen, if you have a young toddler boy, they will lose their mind if you wore this tunic top dress. Okay, so this comes in extra large, 2XL, 3XL. And you've got yourself some dinosaurs.
That is cool, Heather.
I think it's cool. I like the colors. You know, because from far away it just looks like a generic pattern, but once you get up close you can see the dinosaurs. Isn't that amazing? I love it.
That is awesome.
It's so much fun. Dinosaur dresses. I believe all these are going to be...
I think they sold something like that at, what was the Disney theme park that had dinosaur stuff in it?
Oh,
It's Animal Kingdom?
Yes.
And I could have sworn it was like $80 or something like that.
All of my dresses, I'm just going to do a real quick check.
Do it.
I think all my dresses are $19.99, but let
She's
me
going
just
to check over there.
To make sure. I wanted to make sure I quoted you the right price, because I've got some Christmas dresses, and I know they're around the same price. And so, yes, $19.99 for all of my dresses. So I can't remember what I have this sports top is going to be, but it's going to be around that range. So $19.99 for all of my dresses, and that pink tunic top too is an awesome one. All right, so now we're going to get into this one. I might have duplicate styles, but different sizes, because I tried to order sometimes the small through the 3X for the same style. So we're going to see.
I think they're sold in bundles of what, 6?
Yeah, they are. Yep. And those plus size bundles and regular, and some I can only get either just regular or just plus size. So, we ordered more of these because you guys are going bonkers buying these.
I think we only have one more.
Yeah, so this is the extra large 2XL and 3XL of the Christmas black dress. So, you want me to pull one of these
Sure.
out just to show you? So this one is a black, cute, oh my goodness, I love how soft these are. I might have to keep one of these just for myself. All right, so this one I call the candy cane black tunic top dress. So that's what that one looks like. So I have extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. It's got gingerbread and snowmen and Christmas tree cookies. So that's another fun one for the holidays. And then, trying not to unplug my microphone. Oh, I did get, okay. So this one, I think I showed you already.
The dog? Yeah.
Yes, but I got it in the plus sizes too. So this is an extra large, 2XL, 3XL. Let me just pull this one out again so you can see what it looks like. It's this dress. So I have small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL in this style. So yeah, I tried to get both just because I don't know what size everybody is, and then they can find their favorite sizes. All right. Then I got, oh good. So I got, these are extra large. Were these the ones that I was supposed to get replaced, or did I just buy them replacements?
Oh.
Okay, so I had these online in regular sizes. These are really cool leggings, have a little bow at the bottom. And I have extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. Extra large, 2XL, and 3XL.
They had sent us the wrong bag one time.
Yes. Oh, and then it does have a large in here. So one
Okay.
large, an extra large, XXL, and a triple XL. So it's got all of those sizes in here. So those are nice, just leggings. Kind of yoga pant leggings. All right, then we have, what is in here? I think this is one I was sold out of. I think it's a sweater that I happen to be sold out of and hasn't been on the store in a while. I think, yep, I think that's exactly what it is. So we had a bunch of these on the store and they sold out really super fast, I think. Yes. So we had this on the store for a short time. Has a fun, it's like a sweater, but it's got this crisscross bottom on the bottom. And then, but it's a lightweight sweater. And so I have this in sizes extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. So it's a charcoal gray. See how it crisscrosses in the front? And then it's real long in the back. So this is a nice lightweight one, and we sold out of these like almost immediately. So I ordered some more, and so those will be back in stock so you can find them on the store. And then these sold out super fast. So it's your striped teal colored one. It's just like the pink one I showed you. So exact same geometric pattern as this pink one. See how it's got the crisscrossed like that? So this is the teal version of it in extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. And this one I think was all sold out. And then I have the black colored one, which was almost sold out. Extra large, 2XL, 3XL, and 2 of each. And then I have the blue again of extra large, 2XL, 3XL of the blue one. So we have all of those. So those are all going to be back in stock. But my new stuff is my dinosaur dresses, my cat dresses, my puppy dog dresses, my bird dresses, and then this cool new kind of sweatshirt, long sleeve zip up hoodie that I'm really excited to put on the store. This is a size medium. So, and it's the stretchy microfiber kind of sports style. So this would be really nice and comfy and soft. And of course I have these leggings finally in the extra large, the large through 3X sizes. So all this new stuff on the store, so go shopping right now. And remember, if you order over $100, then you get free shipping. And I have tons of options of things to choose from. I just put a whole bunch of brand new stuff from another box that I unboxed that you guys probably haven't even seen yet. And so check it out. I always have new stuff on the store. So I'm going to get started putting these on the store, and you'll be able to find them there already. Aren't you excited? I'm excited. Great time for holiday shopping. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business.
Hey, thanks for watching. Everything that you see behind me is already listed on HookedOnPickin.com, as well as all the clothing items that are already stored securely in drawers. So go to HookedOnPickin.com, find tons of stuff that you want to buy. Remember, it's holiday time, so I even have gift cards available. So if you know a friend that watches my channel all the time, go ahead and purchase a gift card for them so that they can find anything they want at any time. I don't put expirations on the gift cards, so you can get as many as you want and keep them as long as you want. So go to HookedOnPickin.com for some awesome stuff.